Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can clean up video background in CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it, guys. First, you can select your video, and then you're going to go to the video menu and select the remove background. And there are three methods that you can try to remove the background of your video. The first one is the auto removal. It will be removed your background automatically. But if you want to use this feature, you need to subscribe to CapCut because this is a pro feature. You just need to click on this checkbox and then the background will be removed automatically. And the second method is the custom removal. You're going to use the brush or the eraser to remove the background. And I'm going to use the brush. So I'm going to select the object that I want to make it stay. Oops. Okay. This is the object I don't want to remove. Okay, like this, and you're going to wait until the process 100 reach 100%. You can use the eraser to remove something that something from your video. And the last one, guys, you can use the chroma feature. This chroma key feature is especially for the green screen video or the video which has background color like this. We can use the chroma feature. But hold on, I'm still waiting for the custom removal result. It's almost 100%. So I'm going to wait for it and let's see how it looks. Okay, and don't forget to click on apply. And as you can see that the background has been removed. And wait, I'm gonna undo it. And I'm going to apply the chroma key feature. Click on the checkbox and then you're going to pick the color. Okay, select this pencil icon and then you're going to select the color that you want to remove. Oh, and let me adjust the intensity. Yeah, it's not perfect because this chroma key feature